Hey guys, welcome back. So glad you could make it. Today I wanted to share with you this e.l.f. Rose Gold Matte Lip Vault. I am so excited about this. This is available on the e.l.f. website and it is $35. So essentially you get 10 lip crayons, self-sharpening. They just twist right up. And so that's, break it down, $3.50 each. These are cruelty-free, 100% vegan, and they contain vitamin A, C, and E for added moisture and hydration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch each and every single one of these for you today. Okay, now that we have bare lips, I wish I had started the video with one of these on. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, and they all have rose gold packaging. I love rose gold. So the first one I'll be trying is Natural. It's like a nude pink shade. You open it up and they just twist. So these would work well as a lip liner too, so maybe you'd wear like a darker shade as a lip liner and then go in with a lighter shade all over the lips. This is the first shade called Natural. Very pretty light pink. Very easy to apply, very creamy. I like that color a lot. Okay, on to the next. So Tea Rose is a little darker than the last shade, and it seems to have a little more of a mauve-y tone to it. This is Dash of Pink. The next shade is called Praline. This is what Praline looks like. Now we have an orange red in Rowdy Rouge. I didn't think I'd like an orangey red on me, but I seriously have liked every color so far. This is nuts. Alright, so we're halfway through. 5 down, 5 more to go. The next one is called Rich Red. This is what Rich Red looks like. My lips are definitely starting to feel a little raw. The next one is in the color Wine. This is what Wine looks like. The next shade is Mulberry Maven. This one is called Berry Sorbet. And this is what Scarlet Night looks like. If you guys have made it this far, thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope this was beneficial to you. So I just finished editing this video and the outro was cut off. So I just wanted to insert this to thank you guys once again for hanging out with me. If you comment below your favorite shade that you saw here in this video from the e.l.f. Rose Gold Matte Lip Vault, I will select one winner and I will mail you a little goodie bag of sample skincare products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!